In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or turn on boot logging on your Lenovo laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to select the power icon, and you want to hold down the shift key on your keyboard and select restart. You can release pressure on the shift key once it says please wait. Now you want to select Troubleshoot, reset your PC or see Advanced Options, and then select Advanced Options. Select Startup Settings, change Windows Startup Behavior, and then select Restart. And then at this point, you can tap the F2 or Function 2 key to enable boot logging, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.